Baby Bella Boutique. Kids online store and luxury children's fashion shop. Amazing swimwear collection to buy for your baby girl. Are you planning to buy swimwear for your baby girl? You can find a broad range of products available on the market today. The most important thing is to take an informed buying decision after carefully considering the options available. Most people prefer to go online to learn about baby girl swimwear nowadays. Reputed and reliable online stores offer stunning swimwear collection. Available in a wide range of styles, designs, patterns, colors, and fabrics, these products meet every type of need perfectly. You can also find the prices highly affordable. Best one-piece swimsuits. No matter whether it is a family beach day or an unexpected visit, you can make your baby girl pretty and relaxed with colorful or striped one-piece swimsuits. There are many playful tank-style baby girl swimsuits available today. Rainbow Ice-Cream Swimsuits. When it comes to buying swimsuits, you must choose one that is made using soft and stretchy fabric. The best dresses also offer the best protection for the delicate skin against the sun. Tutu Swimwear. Many designers have come up with attractive tutu swimwear these days. With an all-around tulle ruffle skirt, they easily catch the attention of the people. There are Euro style, baby mermaid, baby float, floral rash guard, long sleeve and more swimsuits available today. You need to choose the best that offers a perfect combination of style, comfort, and protection. To get the more latest updates, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon also so that you can never miss any update from us.